Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. The TMPD Drug and Crime Prevention Unit arrested a white male for possession of unlicensed ammunition and firearms in Centurion on Wednesday, 14 January 2026. The arrest followed an anonymous tip-off by a member of the community. The officers swiftly responded to the information received and conducted the search. During the search, officers were discovered unlicensed ammunition, R5 rifle, a PX4 Beretta, and a shotgun. The scene was handed over to SAPS for further investigation. In a separate joint operation, the TMPD Tactical Unit, in collaboration with SAPS Gauteng Traffic Police and private security, recovered 3 hijacked trucks carrying copper with an estimated value of 30 million rand. The trucks were reported hijacked at N1 and Murray Hill on Tuesday, 13 January 2026. The joint operation was initiated following up on a hijacking report. Information received. The trucks were recovered in Hammanskraal on R101, and a Zimbabwean national was arrested for hijacking and possession of stolen property. Mpumalanga police recovered 13 unlicensed firearms during an intelligence-driven operation at a farm in Carolina, leading to the arrest of a 62-year-old man on Tuesday, 13 January 2026. The suspect faces charges related to illegal possession of firearms and ammunition following the discovery. The operation was conducted at about 4 p.m. when police searched the farm and uncovered a cache of weapons. The firearms included 3 self-manufactured guns, 4 rifles, 1 shotgun, 5 handguns, and 6 pellet guns, all found in the suspect's possession without valid licenses. Police also seized ammunition of various caliber, totaling 1,080 rounds, along with 106 blanks. During questioning, the suspect failed to provide a satisfactory explanation for possessing the firearms and ammunition. He was immediately arrested and charged accordingly by investigating officers. The suspect was expected to appear before the Chief Albert Luthuli Magistrate Court on Wednesday, 14 January 2026. The police indicated that further investigation were ongoing and that additional charges could still be added as the case develops.
Uyazi uma ngibuka into ebeyenzeke ePhoyindi, I felt sorry for Mangobese and her family. Ukuthi you are leading a fight, trying to fight for abantu abangenandaba, because abantu bakithi bafana nezingulube. Umuntu obasizayo ebakhipha odakeni bafuna ukubuyela lo daka bona ngenkani, bamthukela khona lokho ukuthi uyabasiza. Now umbuzo khona ukuthi when abantu abamnyama eSouth Africa bezobona bevuleka amehlo ngempela ukuthi you are being brainwashed by politicians who are benefiting ngabantu bangaphandle abangenamvume, who are committing crimes in this country, and they commit crimes, and the beneficiaries of this crime are some of the senior politicians. If you look at how drugs are being moved around, they are being moved by these illegal foreigners, or some of them. Mhlambe ngibeke kanjalo. But wena uyasuka uyothuka umuntu olwelwa izwe lakho, olwela ukuthi ingane zakho zingagxishwa ama drugs ilabantu laba, olwela ukuthi kungangeni izinto ongamele zibe South Africa ngokungemthetho. Labantu laba bayakhula, ukukhula kwabo ubona ngeingane zibuza ukuthi lezi ngane kangaka zabo la in the country kusasa njoba nje abantu bengasebenzi ba South Africa, how many graduates are unemployed? 10 years to come uzokwenzakalani if today ingane za la South Africa ingasebenzi zingathola imisebenzi? Do you think 10 years time who will be working if it's not these foreigners and by defender onina illegal foreigners who are committing crimes in this country but niyabavikela? So awuyibuze nje ukuthi which side are you in wena ke? If ngampela ukuleli side leli lokuthi wena ufuna udefender abantu abangena ezweni lethu abangenamvume and you believe ukuthi ama rights ababalekile kunabantu balana, because iqiniso ukuthi uma ngena ingane ezo10 zama illegal foreigners esikoleni bese khona ingane ezo5 za la South Africa asakaza ukungena, their rights to education are already violated. How ngampela uzosuka uma wena uthi wo defend umuntu wangaphandle over umuntu wala South Africa? Because abengcono sikhuluma ukuthi ezala sengene zonke ezikoleni usithiwa usuwakhuluma ke ngabantu bangaphandle, but we are fighting for ukuthi angene ingane zangaphandle ezala ingakangeni ngoba uthi nama rights zona. What about the rights of South Africans? Bafowethu asivukeni, vukani, liyahamba izwe. Stop being brainwashed by politicians. Uyabona into yenu ye-GNU yasemakhanda leyo ukuthi bayabanjiswana manje didekile senicabanga ukuthi izwe sokumele ube machanca nje and indlalo sopolitiki who are benefiting ngale zinto lezi, but kusasa kuyoba ngawe. Then you come back to us who are fighting these foreigners usufuna thina sikusize, but today you are fighting us to defend ama foreigners. Njoba ngisho ukuthi uma Ngobese akayidinda yenzayo uyenza ngokuthanda izwe lakhe, akayidingi. She can go and stay at home. Honestly, ayimkhokheli ingane zakhe ayaffectile directly, but she knows ukuthi South Africa you can't be in isolation, you need each other. So let's support this initiative and stop fighting each other bantu bakithi, especially abamnyama. Hayi nenkinga bafowethu, hayi nenkinga.
Abantu engibaziyo abangazithandi bona, abangalithandi izwe labo njengabantu base South Africa. Uyabona, uma ungalithandi izwe lakho ufana nomuntu ongazithandi wena. Lokho ngikusho ngoba nabantu okuyibona kufuneka bavikele izwe lase South Africa ibona kanye abenza ukuthi kube nobugebengu. Ngibona ivideo la kusolakala sengathi iphoyisa leli lithatha ibribe, kodwa ngizokucaphunela ivideo, angisho mina ukuthi lithathile, kodwa ngisho ukuthi umbhalo obubhalo uthe iphoyisa allegedly took a bribe. Thingibeke kanjalo, kodwa ke mfakazela umncwango kulento ayishoyo. Abantu base South Africa abanendaba nezwe labo, sibabonile bedefender ama foreigners bemingenyawo bewa defend ukuthi no ngamaningane zabantu bala South Africa zingafundi kusuka bala. Ngichazile futhi nesizathu esenza lokho. Ngiyaqala ukubona abantu abangazithandi bona nabangalithandi izwe labo. Yabona makungavuka labantu laba abafa belwela lezwe bangadumala uma bebuka thina. Cela ubona. abantu abangama-drug dealers noma yiluphi uhlobo le-drug bakhokha kanje kweshumi emaphoyiseni. Ingxenye nje amaphoyisa bayikhipha kanje. Fika imivan, aphume yena, anikeze amaphoyisa okungokwawo, ahamba amaphoyisa. Uyambona lo bhuti uze uyabala ukuthi le mali eyakhe nobani uyababala abantu okuyibona abacontributile. Nalaba abangama-foreigners bayikhipha kanje imali. Protection fee bayikhipha kanje. Angisho le phoyisa belithatha yona. Kodwa ngiyazibuza ukuthi ngoba kade alithenganga lutho le phoyisa bekweyani le mali elinikwa yona. Kusaqhubeka lapho ukuthi abantu base-South Africa balikhathalele izwe labo. Abantu base-South Africa abalithandi izwe labo. Fana ngabe labantu balwa ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi lezwe kube izwe liphephile. Akungasuka umuntu lezwe othengisa ama-drugs la. Kodwa kutholakala thina. Yazi ngibona ivideo ebuhlungu. Ngenxa lo gwayi ongekho semthethweni lokuthiwa illicit cigarette, lo gwayi lo shibhile lo ongena la eSouth Africa. Ikhona ikhampani esizovala namhlanje. Sekukhona abantu abazodilizwa ngenxa ukuthi ugwayi osumningi lo ongena ngongekho semthethweni. Ngicela ubone la.
An unchecked illicit market is reshaping South Africa's economy, and British American Tobacco is the latest casualty. BAT says it'll close its Heidelberg manufacturing plant by the end of 2026, blaming the scale of illegal cigarette trade in the country. The company estimates that illicit cigarettes now make up around 75% of the domestic market, costing the fiscus about 40 billion rand in lost tax revenue between 2020 and 2025. Around 230 jobs at the plant will be affected. BAT says it's reached breaking point with 3/4 of the market now dominated by illicit trade.
We've raised concerns about illicit trade for years, providing data and proposing solutions. While some in government have genuinely tried to help, the overall response hasn't been enough to protect the legitimate businesses and the jobs they create. With illicit industry currently at the size and scale it is, only a coordinated whole-of-government response can make a difference and a real impact to tackling the scourge of illicit.
Buhlungu ke lolu daba lo illicit cigarette okungena la eSouth Africa ngoba ikhampani le abakhuluma ngayo yangazi British Tobacco iproduce ugwayi onjengo Cotley, Stuyvesant, angazi nani. Kunabasebenzi khona kule manufacturing plant about-280 abazophila lo msebenzi uma ivala leya plant. Kodwa isizathu sokuvala kwayo it's illicit cigarette. Le ngena lapha ngokungekho semthethweni engena ngabo labantu abangena nabo ngengokho semthethweni. Angazi ungako kwa isike sawu reporter la ukuthi ngoDisemba nje kuphela. NgoDisemba nje kuphela obulokhu ubanjwa uzama ukuzongena la. Khona kunjalo kukhona abantu abasadefend abantu abangama illegal immigrants. So iyangiphazamisa lento kancane engqondweni yami ukuthi why kukhona imithetho ekuthiwa ama Immigration Act ngoba phela umuntu makuthiwa illegal immigrant usho ukuthi ulana ngokungekho semthethweni. Lezo senzo sakhe lokuba khona kwakhe kulicala kukodwa nje. Sekuthiwa no abavunyelwe eclinic. Avunyelwa kanjani ngoba lo muntu wenza ubugebengu? Noma ubugebengu buhlukene kunama class khona ufuneka sibtolerate khona ufuna singabtolerate. Iyangidida kahle lento eyenzeka la eSouth Africa. Angazi ukuthi ngingathini ngayo. Kodwa nje ngingaphetha ngelithi thina abantu base South Africa sizithandi thina. Asilithandi izwe lethu, asilikhathalele. Okubhlungu asicabangeli ngisho izingane zethu efuneka ikhule kuleli izwe kusasa. Thina siphilela imanje. Yengakho uzwa abantu abamnyama kuthiwa baspende 414 million per day etshwaleni ngoba siphilela imanje. Asinayo iplan yakusasa. Njengezwe la South Africa even nohulumeni wethu akanayo iplan ya 10 years ukuthi 10 years ufuna ukuachieve ini. Kwathina asinawo lawo ama plans as individuals simiyeke nje uhulumeni asinawo lawo ama plans ukuthi sifuna ukuzibona sikuphi. Bambalwa kababa nawo. Uthi omunye kimi, sinawo ama plans. Inkinga makufika imali ashabalala aqala inhlelo ezintsha. So sisinenkinga nje ukuthi njengabantu base South Africa asizithandi thina, asilithandi izwe lethu, asizithandi ngisho izingane zethu ngoba sehluleka ukuzicabangela zona namhlanje. Uyazi mangavanqandeka lenkinga namhlanje, ikusasa kuzobe kungcono. Le ingane ezothi la zikhula khona bazobe labantu abangama illegal immigrants njengoba kuthiwa eSouth Africa silako 65 million 68 million angazi silapho bayobe sebelingana nathi noma sebengaphe kwethu futhi bayazala bayazala labantu bakaNkulunkulu abadlali uthe sithwele ngapha ebedonsa omunye ngesandla bebelethe omunye emhlanje bayazala ngempela nqwaba yeingane salelwa la tebhlungu leyo. Angiyibambe le video, cela ukuzukuphala kwakho back comment section bese mina nawe sidibana kwi video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.